Hello everyone, Alex is here with another video talking about filming. You know how lately smartphone companies started to adopt professional filming on their phones to make beginner content creators rely more on their daily devices by adding features such as HDR, ProRes recording, cinematic pan, and remarkable video stabilization. I even made a cinematic video before using only the Pixel 6 Pro. Take a look. With that, DJI followed these steps by making gimbals for smartphone creators. But wait, why would you need one if you have a great stabilizer built into your phone? I mean, I just shared a great stabilized video using a phone only, right? Today I will explain why with DJI M5. So let's start with the design. It's made from a hard plastic that can fold to a pocket size, with mini tripod on the bottom, and strong magnetic phone clamp that can fit mostly any phone, maybe with the exception of foldable phones. With that, it's really lightweight, even noticeably lighter than the previous generation. And they also add extension rods that will help you take shots from high angles or vlog using the main camera instead of the ultra-wide. So it's definitely an upgrade. The buttons layout is great. There is a joystick to move your phone, record button, vertical to horizontal, zoom slider, mood button to change between different built-in presets, and a trigger to return the gimbal to the center, and if you hold it, it will block the gimbal from moving. Just make sure to use DJI Mimo App when you use this gimbal, otherwise you will lose a lot of great features. However, I did notice that the apps lack some features on the Android phones, such as 4K 60fps, even though my Pixel 6 Pro can record 60 frames, but it's not there in the app. Now let's see if it's worth buying this gimbal, starting with active tracking. That helps you hold the camera on a person, and I can see how useful this feature is for vlogging. And the second benefit of using the gimbal over handheld is keeping the horizon leveled. Let's face it, you can't ensure that your hand is leveled during the recording, and having the perfect horizon is essential in both filming and photography work. Another cool feature is auto standby when you undetach the magnetic lamp from the gimbal. That's really convenient when you're using the gimbal on the run, and I definitely recommend you to use it with the phone stabilizer to have the best possible results. With that being said, this gimbal is not perfect by any means. It still needs some improvements. For example, it has some movement limitations when you want to adjust the phone on a higher or lower level, and it doesn't spin 180 degrees. So if you are showing the scene on the front and you want to move to selfie mode using the same camera, that's not an option on this gimbal. You have to flip the phone. There are some filters in the app that will change the way you look. Not that it's gimmick or anything, but when you're planning to use a gimbal on a phone, that means you're looking for professional results. So I don't think you're going to use cheap filters. Come on, be yourself. There are some video samples in the app with a tutorial of how to take similar ones. It will be a really good start if this is your first experience with a gimbal. All of these features you can get for $150. It's really the right price for the people who need it. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section, do you think it's worth to buy a gimbal to your phone, or the built-in stabilizer is more than good enough? And see you guys next time.